Hello friend, welcome to the web group channel. I hope you are doing well. This is the second part of our HTML tutorial, and where I will show you how generally we can use the different type of our elements in our HTML. For the HTML, basic information of the HTML, why we use HTML, how we can show that one into the browser, that things I already covered into my first part, and you can see that one. So you will easily understand those things. Okay, and this is the second part of that video. So if you see that the previous video, then you can easily adapt this discussion. Okay, so first of all, if you're liking my video, please hit the like button. If you want a daily update on whatever I created, then you can subscribe my channel, so you will get the browser notification when I will create any new video. So let's start this topic of our HTML part 2. So for the basic things we created in our previous video, these are the things we created, and this is the design of that one. We created one header, we created one banner section, and we created one footer. Okay, and for the styling purpose, we give some background color. Okay, and this is the image we generally are using here. So in the image, I told you we can use multiple attribute. We can use a style here. In the style, we can give width, okay, 120px, and height auto, and you will show that one in your design. Okay, so I'm using here VS Code, and with the help of VS Code, this is the feature of VS Code, you can create your live server. So it will show you the live preview of your changes of your design. Suppose I am giving here width and height of this image, which are showing into the bigger. So you can see here this image, now it is taking 120px width, and height is a automatic height it is taking. Okay, and this thing I already covered this one into the first part, and now in this part we have multiple element we can cover here. In suppose we have this design, if we have any form or input here, so generally input, what is the input? Generally input we provide to the user to give their input to the website. So website will provide that solution according to that input. So if we want login screen, then you can take one section again, okay, after your banner. So this is our banner start here, you can write, okay, and banner end here, you can write comment that one, so developer easily understand that one. Okay, what are the section we have for which purpose, and this section we have for login section, start here, okay, and here you can write banner section, login section in here. So you can write class name, you can write id attribute to represent this is the login section. Okay, and in this login section we need input. Okay, so we have input element as well. With the help of that input, you can provide controller to the user to control or to provide their input to the website. Okay, so we have multiple input, we have checkbox, we have color input, so user can give the color, we have date input, the user can give the date as well. Okay, we have email input, so user can give their email, file input, image input, we have number input, we have password, text, whatever we generally need from the user, we have that type of input. So we can use first of all text input, okay, for username, and you can give here some placeholder name. Okay, enter your username. Okay, some instruction to the user, so user easily understand why we are using that one. Also you can give some labeling here. So label generally we use for show, or we generally use for declare some uh, title of any input. Okay, label generally used for that one. So username. Okay, so semantic name, always you see here, it is proper naming convention. You easily understand why we are using this label. Okay, and we have some, if we have some value, then you can put your value here. Okay, it will show you over there, and I will show you how it will look like. So you can see here username and your enter your username, input is there. You can write anything, you write your username. Okay, here, and if you need to containerize this one into one section, you can take one section here, name div. Okay, this is the name div, and you can containerize this one. Okay, and you can take another div. With the help of br, we can break that into that element into the new line. Okay, so here is br I given, so it break after this br. Okay, input, and we need some padding. First of all, the styling is very important in when you design anything. So padding, suppose 20. Okay, px I'm taking from left, right, top, bottom, and I need some background color. Okay, so this one I need like a something aqua. So you can see here this one is showing like a some aqua color, and also we need one password. Okay, so this is the text input. So password, generally we have the password controller as well. So when you use password, then you generally see in any website, when we write any, enter your password, when we write any password, then it generally present like a bullet structure over there. So you can see password is there, and our some basic feature, whatever the feature we have in the browser, so that feature generally we need here, and it generally show here. Okay, also we can use checkbox. So checkbox is similar, input type checkbox, so we can use the checkbox as well. So we have checkbox syntax like this. Okay, and we can label this one like remember me. Okay, so you can see here remember me checkbox is here. Here's a check, you can check and you can uncheck this one, and also you can give this one a button tag as well. Okay, and you can give here one attribute type. What is the type? It is a submit type button. Login, so your login button now showing. You can give one br to make as a new line. Okay, so your login structure also here, and so for this is the form type thing, something if form or some so you can use a form element. We have form. Okay, you can put that code inside this form. Okay, and why we are using this form? So with the help of this form have some attribute here. So form have some own attribute. So this attribute is name is action. So where we can action this one, where this value we generally pass, we can pass into our next page. So suppose my next page is http okay google.com. so it will navigate to the google.com with that value. Okay, whatever we pass here. Okay, when we click, it will navigate. Okay, your action will navigate, your value will transfer to the Google. So these things we have. Also we have the video tag as well. So if you want any video in your HTML design, then you can put the video element. So in that video element you can put any dummy video URL, and that video will play with the help of browser player. Okay, and we have these are the semantic code. I already told you these are the semantics, so we generally use for the better understanding what the section we created over there. We know about that, why this section or why that one is. We have iframe also. With the help of iframe we can bind any external website in our page, as well. Suppose my page is webguru. This is my website. Okay, my web page is this one, and I need one iframe of W3 school. So you can use iframe. Okay, and in this iframe you can use src. In this src you can use your W3. So you can see here the site is due to some course issue. If this W3 school allow us to show here, then you generally see the entire this W3 school into this iframe. Okay, into this section. So you can also click here, you can navigate to the W3 main page. Okay, you can access some of the things into the iframe as well. So iframe generally we use if we have some subsidiary or another link of our application, so you can pass it to the iframe, and that we show to the user like these are the features also we have in our module. Okay, and we have the file controller as well. With the help of file controller we can upload our computer file, our system file into the browser. We can give to the browser application as well. So syntax is file. Okay, so when you write this one, then you easily see here. Okay, choose one file, then you can upload this one and you can give to your application. Okay, user can give to the application or web application to face that one. And these are the things we have, so you can easily understand those things when you are using those things. Form already I told you, these are the forms. Canvas we generally use for creating the graphical representation. Okay, so generally we use canvas for displaying our data. Okay, so data like bar pie chart, bar chart, like this. So we use canvas for that purpose. So it is not commonly used, but for the basic you need to know about these things. Okay, first of all. Okay, so media, video, audio plugins we have. Okay, if we have like suppose you can suppose we need to play some video in our website, so you can use video player like this. Okay, video tag is like this. Okay, so you will easily understand why we use the video. Okay, so syntax of the video like this, you can use that one. This is the container of the video, and this is the source where we generally put our file of suppose you have the MP4 or any other format of the video, so you can pass it to that source. Okay, like the video, audio is same. Okay, so audio you can select like this, you can pass like this. And we have some of the things internal feature we have in our HTML. Suppose if you want any geolocation of any user, so you can take like this into the JavaScript. Okay, geolocation, you can take any user geolocation with the help of this navigator dot this one. I created this I created one video separately for this one, so you can watch that video and you will easily understand why we use the geolocation. Okay, so yeah, these things we have in HTML. We generally main thing is like section, div, link, buttons we generally majorly use in our web design, but you need to know about all the concepts, so you can you can watch and you can see some of the tutorial related to that one. Okay, so W3 is very friendly to the beginner or any developer who want to know about the HTML. Okay, so I hope you understand this HTML design concept, and if you are liking this video, then please hit the like button, and also you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.